Another thing with the interface is accessing your object snaps. So hopefully everybody is familiar with creating lines, circles, rectangles, things like that, and using running OSNAPs to snap to the endpoint or to the midpoint or to the center of geometry. Those are controlled, they are assigned and controlled in your status bar icons. So across the bottom, one of these icons is titled Object Snap. If I right click on that, every one of these that has a check mark, that is your running OSNAP. That means any one of them that are selected, whenever you start like a line command or a circle command, the running OSNAP, that's what AutoCAD is looking for. It's looking for those selected types of snaps: endpoint, midpoint, circle, or center, intersection, things like that. There's also snap overrides. So that comes in a situation like this. If I start a circle object and I want to attach a line segment to one of the quadrants of that circle. Well, when I hover on that circle, the only thing it selects or highlights is my center. I don't need center, I need the quadrant. So I could come down here and I could add it to my running OSNAPs. That can throw off my workflow a little bit later. I could also type in the first 3 letters of the object snap. So QUA for quadrant. That works. And it will select, it will highlight that quadrant. There's another way to do it. When you start your command and you're ready to have a different snap, hold down the Shift key and right click will bring up your snap override menu. So from here, I could pick quadrant, immediately go to quadrant. As soon as I pick that, it resets and goes back to the running OSNAP. So quadrant is no longer a selection. If I want it again, Shift right click, quadrant again. So you can use that Shift right click anytime you are creating or moving and copying objects. Anytime an OSNAP is applicable to the situation, you can use it.